Today we're taking a look at the Optronics magnetic LED tow light kit. These removable LED lights provide stop, tail, and turn signal functions for your trailer or towed vehicle. This is designed for cars and trailers no wider than 80 inches. It's really great for flat tow applications, like if you're towing a vehicle, flat towing a vehicle behind an RV, and your vehicle's not set up to receive the wiring from the RV. This is a great non-obtrusive option to consider because it keeps you from having to do special wiring things to your vehicle that's being towed behind the RV, and it's very easy to set up. It simply routes and plugs into a 4-pole connector on the RV. Plenty of wiring here to route the lights all the way back to the rear of the flat towed vehicle or trailer, and then you can stick these magnetic lights directly on there, and whatever signal that's being activated on the RV will be sent back to the magnetic tow lights at the back of your flat towed vehicle or trailer. So it's easy to use, very quick, temporary. They're not a permanent install. You use them when you need them, and you can take them off when you don't need to use them. They do feature a sonically sealed design, so it's a waterproof housing and lens unit. It keeps out dirt, grime, and moisture. We're looking at durable surface mount technology when it comes to the construction of the LED circuit board, which better withstands shock and vibration and allows improved heat distribution and an overall thinner construction. Now, these are LED lights. They make great replacements for incandescent lights. They last longer, they burn brighter, they're more efficient. With LEDs, you don't ever have to worry about replacing bulbs, and you don't have to worry about brittle filaments. We're looking at a durable polycarbonate housing and lens unit. Nice, strong design, and on the base we have the heavy-duty magnetic bases that allow the lights to secure on the vehicle's trunk or roof or on the magnetic surface of a trailer or anything that you're towing behind your RV. It does have a protective pad on it, so that way it doesn't scratch or harm or damage the contact surface. Comes with a 20-foot wiring harness that can easily be routed from the tow lights up to the connection point on the RV. And then it also has the 4-pole flat connector that hooks up to the RV connection point. It does come with additional wiring with the 4-pole flat connector for wiring an RV without an existing trailer connector. This is Department of Transportation compliant. Each light lens area has a diameter measurement of about 4 1/4 inches. When it comes to the overall measurements, right here starting at the base, we're looking at about 3 7/8 by 2 3/16, and the overall height measures about almost 6 inches. It's really 5 15/16 inches tall. Again, the harness, your main harness, measures 20 feet long. That's from the lights to the 4-way flat plug. The wiring between the lights is 5 feet 3 inches. So that's the wiring that connects the lights together. The length of the additional wiring harness for the RV is 35 inches long. We have 6 LEDs per light. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to power. That way you can see what it looks like with some power running to it. And then we'll also turn off our overhead lights so you can see it in a low light setting. So here we have the running light function. This is the tail lights. Nice, soft light output. Again, we have 6 LEDs per light, so we have a total of 12. And then when we activate the turn signal or the brake, you can see how the signal output increases. You'll do that same thing when we activate the turn signal. Do the other light as well. Same design, same level of brightness. When it comes to the power draw, at 12.8 volts for the stop and turn signal, we're looking at 0.36 amps. For the taillight, we're looking at 0.03 amps. Optronics also puts lifetime warranties on the LEDs. That's going to do it for today's look at the Optronics Magnetic LED Tow Light Kit.